Listen to the words and not the keyboard. There is a candle in every soul, some brightly burning, some dark and cold. There is a spirit who brings a fire, ignites a candle and makes it bright. Carry your candle, run to the darkness, seek out the hopeless, confused and torn. Hold out your candle for all to see.